Today I want to talk about my co-worker. His name is Carlos and he works with my in the credit analysis department of the bank. Carlos is a very dedicated and professional person. His favorite movie is Inception because he likes stories that make you think. He was born in 1990 in Bogota, and since he was young, he has been interested in finance and numbers. Before working at this bank, he used to work in another financial company where he gained a lot of experience evaluating credit applications. Carlos is responsible, intelligent, and very keen to everyone. He is always willing to help and share his knowledge with the team. He is taller than our boss and he stands out in meetings because he speaks with confidence. His own department, he is considered the best credit analyst because he always delivers excellent results. Last year, he worked at the main branch, very he handled very important clients, and thanks to his hard work, many projects very successful approved.